Good morning, friends. It's Thinking Thursday, and you know how I always like to start the day on a positive note, stating our self-affirming pledge. So let's do it together. Today we start the day knowing that we are all unique, special, talented, super smart, ready and able to learn anything and everything we tackle in our classroom. Have a beautiful, sparkly, simply the best day. That was amazing. So friends, I'm in my super fun science lab, and all week long we have been doing fun, sparkly science experiments. Yesterday, Wondrous Wednesday, we made some really fun slime, and I promised to show you the finished product. So I put my slime in a Ziploc bag. And remember, I mentioned to you that I added some sparkles. So look how sparkly that came out. And it's super squishy. So fun. Shout out to Jackson for sending me pictures and showing me how his awesome slime turned out. Great job. So friends, we're going to continue with our $2 million words that are guiding our work together this week, right? Good scientists always make predictions, right? We think about the experiment that we want to do, and then we think about what the outcome could possibly be. And good scientists always make observations, right? We think very carefully about the things that we're going to add to our experiment or the components that we're going to use, and then we observe what happens and draw conclusions, okay? So today, I want to do a super cool experiment with crystallization. Wow, what a big $1 million word that is, right? 2 simple ingredients. Friends, I want to remind you that when you do these experiments, please make sure to do it with a parent, especially this one, because this one's going to require you to heat water. So let me share the ingredients with you, okay? It's 2 very simple ingredients. A half a cup of borax, which is what this is right here, and 2 full cups of hot water. So you're going to need a parent to do this for you, okay? This water needs to be boiling, and when it's boiling, you pour the borax in it and allow the borax to dissolve, okay? You got it? So a parent has to do that for you. Now, the part that you can do that's super fun is this. So I created these 2 shapes. I used my star cookie cutter, and this is a simple pipe cleaner that I put around the star, and as you can see, I tightened it at the bottom so that I could get the super fun shape and pulled it off. See that? Now I have a cool star. And then I also did a cool, very simple teardrop. And that was done super simple. I took the pipe cleaner and I put it together and twisted it together at the very top. Okay? So then you're gonna take a glass, and in this case, I took a simple popsicle stick and I twisted the top around the popsicle stick like this. And then I just sat the shape in my glass. How simple and cool is that, right? Okay, so then after mixing my borax and my hot water together, I poured it over my simple shape, whether it's the star or the simple teardrop. And watch what happens. So I did these yesterday. Ready, friends? Here's my super cool crystallized teardrop. Isn't that awesome? Can you see how super sparkly and crystallized that is? And let me show you the star. This one's even more crystallized. It's super heavy from all the crystallization that happened overnight. So I'm I'm wondering, why did that happen? I think this happened because the water was so hot. And when I researched it a little bit, I found out that hot water molecules move further apart, allowing more of the borax to dissolve. And then as it cools, it clumps together, causing crystallization. Isn't that super cool? So friends, I hope that you will try this experiment at home with your parents, right? And maybe you can create some super fun colors and hang these wonderful crystals in your window to catch the sun. They're super, super sparkly. So friends, make sure that you tune in tomorrow because we'll be doing something more fun and more sparkly and continue to explore science together. Thanks for tuning in, friends. Sparkle on.